Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about TradeNation. Their motto is made to trade. So I thought in today's video we could go behind the scenes and look at what it takes to be an introducing broker or IB. I'm going to show you the broker's website, then I'm going to log into my affiliate backend, show you my stats and earnings, and also where you find your affiliate links. You're going to be using my link to sign up for your account. So let's go ahead and look at TradeNation's website. If we go over partners and then click on partner login, I can log into my affiliate platform. Here you can see that I've only earned about $50 thus far, and I haven't been active in the recent while, so no new deposits and no new customers just yet. I think it's a really wonderful way of earning a passive income from forex trading. And right here is where you can find your link to give to potential traders. But the link that I'd like you to sign up with is here under sub-affiliate link. And using these links, I've created this content on my website, the link to which I'll leave in the description below. All you need to do after you click on that link is click on this button that says sign up as an IB, fill in the form, and let's start working together.